I've got a bit of an issue with my Xbox controller. As you can see, the rubber on the edge has completely gone. Another way to replace it is basically, well, this one is alright, it's not bad, but this one's completely gone, and I had to replace it with this to protect this one for now, but this one's gone. As that's gone, I can't really use it properly because it slips quite easy. So I put these rubbers on, but these rubbers come off because it's, it's not working after that. So these are a bit useless when the rubber's gone already. To protect the original one is fine. So I found a workaround how to fix it. So I did, it's with a glue gun basically. First thing I did was to protect the body itself. I got a little plastic with a little hole, and I literally just squeezed it through the hole so it protects that. And then I've got the glue gun ready, and with the glue gun, what I've done, I've got a golden glittery glue gun. That's the best way to do it. So I'm letting the glue gun heat up. Gonna get a cardboard box on this just in case. Okay, so it doesn't slip. So as I said, these are useless. So all I'm going to do now is just going to use the glue gun and work my way around. Try to go around carefully as possible without making too much mess. Trick is to go evenly as possible as well. It's like those 3D printers that prints things. So using it manually with your hand. The edge is looking alright. So I'm going to put some more on here. If I could push, squeezing it down. Too much on this side here. I mean, it won't be perfect as the original, of course, but at least there'll be a grip for me to use. I suppose the glue gun doesn't cost that much nowadays from any old craft shop. But there are different types of glitters as well you can get. I've got the silver ones. So if the next one goes, I'll use the silver one maybe. Gold one happens to be right next to me, so I just grabbed it. Right, so the other side. Let's show it to you close up, but to see it's a bit glittery. So now what I'm going to do is work around a bit more, and voila, I've got my glitter thumbstick for my Xbox. The best part about using these glue gun glue is that you can quite easily peel it off if you don't like it and start again. I don't know how much to do, to be honest, but I'm just putting a bit extra on. There we go, all done. See if I can get a close up on it. When it does dry, try to see if I can blow it, dry it off a bit more. It dries very quick. Oops, it's a bit sticky. It's a better rubber than what you got there anyway, because this over time I've noticed it gets a bit sweaty and it gets too slippery almost when I'm using it. But this might be a better rubber than these one. So hopefully, and then you can just take this bit off, I suppose, rip it off, cut it off, done. This is how I fix the joystick rubber. It's really quite good. It doesn't come off that easily, and I can just keep doing this every time it goes. Voila. Thank you for watching this. It's a quick guide on how to fix your thumbstick on your Xbox controller.